One day or day one. I came across this quote a few days ago, and ever since it's been stuck in my head. One day or day one. I typed my script for this video a few days ago and it has been inspired ever since, so let me read it to you. I found myself surrounded by numerous projects, ideas, ambitions and wishes. However, despite the abundance of aspiration, I've realized that I haven't achieved that much, because every time I often say, yeah, one day I will do it. When I envisioned my future self, I have a clear plan and a vivid vision. But I keep delaying the execution, because one day I will do it. And this message, it's for you, it's for me, it's for us, because it is time. It is time for us to go into the day one. My desires are diverse, from creating a business and achieving independence, to writing a book, adopting an healthier lifestyle and homemade lifestyle, and even decluttering my closet to reflect my energy through my clothes. I aspire to take more time for meditation, spiritual growth, and also strengthening my relationship with God. But yet, every time I think about it, I always push it to one day. So, I am challenging myself and you to become the version that I aspire to be. And I'm committed for the next 12 weeks. And I encourage you to do the same. It is time to align with who you truly are. And as I share these words, I am also speaking to myself, but also to anyone who at one point feel discouraged or in need of encouragement. I'm addressing to all of us who believe that we can bring so much more. We can do so much more with our lives than what we are doing right now. We possess ambition, motivation, and determination, but yet there is a lingering sense of not having enough control of our lives. And why? Why don't we have this control? Why don't we have this control? It's because we are staying within our comfort zone. I mean, it's understandable. The comfort zone is where we can find security, safety, and the feeling of familiarity. So it's the easiest path. But however, despite the comfort zone, this message is about taking control, embracing the chaos of creation and crafting our destiny. It is time to expand ourselves and share our gifts with others. It can be scary, I mean, it is for me, but we are here to overcome this scary feeling. And you know what scares me more than this? Is the thought of remaining stuck, waking up one day and realizing that nothing has changed. It is day one, and when I'm typing my script, we are in the beginning of February, and I am determined to step into the skin of my future self. By the way, I'm talking and I'm not presenting myself. I am Jane-Priscillia and I'm really pleased to go in this journey with you. And today, it's my day one. The challenge I've set for myself is 12 weeks long. While I have a clear vision and a clear idea of what I want to achieve in life, while I have a clear vision and an ultimate goal, I recognize the importance of establishing short-term goals and achievable objectives. Without this, my vision remains softy, ambitious, and seemingly distant, forever relegated to the realm of one day. So, I am embracing my ideal future self And she is magnetic, powerful. She takes decisive actions. And she is divine. Here is a glimpse of the action that I will take for the next 12 weeks. Creating a mental health and well-being community. I am passionate about mental health and well-being, and I want to create a community around this topic, especially for the French market, since I am French. But I will be vlogging about my journey and about this adventure on this channel. Why? Because the future version of myself isn't afraid of judgment or failure. She exerts courage and embodies natural leadership. So, I am embracing her. 2. Prioritizing health. I suspect that I might have ADHD. I've also decided to stop with the pills to know better my body. I also want to stop sugar, and I want to follow up with my mental health. So, adopting a healthier lifestyle is a key goal. The future version of myself, she's already health conscious, and she's attuned with her body and her mental health. She is also knowledgeable about food, about hair, about gut health, and about femininity. So, it is time for me to be too. 3. Discovering my divine self. This journey also involves embracing the spiritual part of myself. The future version of me is connected to a deeper sense of purpose and meaning. She navigates life with grace, wisdom, and inner peace. So, during this journey, I will explore various spiritual practices, from meditation to mindfulness, and also strengthening my connection with God. The future self that I envision is already awakened, and I am committed to nurturing this connection. Spirituality is a personal journey, but I will also share this part here, and please share yours if you feel comfortable with it. Share your experience and share your insight into the comment. Let's create a space where we inspire and uplift one another on this journey. Let us become more aligned with ourselves and be more authentic. I've made the choice to be aligned more with my authentic self and the life that I aspire to lead. It is your time too. How do you feel about this challenge? What will be your main goals during those 12 weeks? Let's embark on this journey together and motivating and supporting each other, and let's be friends. When I was typing my script, I read a comment that for me was really powerful. It was, you can be bitter or you can be better. When I think about it, I realize that the choice is really yours. It's your choice to make. So if you resonate with my journey, or if you want to join me on this ride of becoming our better self, don't forget to subscribe into this channel. Feel free to put a comment to say what you think and to criticize also the content that I just created. And put a like if you liked it. And as I wrap up, remember one crucial thing. Don't forget that we are only humans, and perfection isn't instant destination. Isn't even the destination. This should not be your goal. And that's okay. We are humans, we are people, and mistakes are okay. Give yourself time, breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Set achievable goals and celebrate your victories, no matter how small they are. For myself, I know that I will not be 100% every day on this challenge, but that's a part of the journey. Let yourself have the time and relish on the process. We are making the changes right now, and instead of being bitter, just become better. And thank you for being a part of this journey with me, and I hope to see you next time. And subscribe to the channel if you liked it. Let's be friends, let's connect with each other, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.